Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crafty Lefty. I'm Tanya and today I'm going to talk about Sessions Live. So if you're not sure what Sessions Live is, it's an app you can download on your Play Store or your Apple Store, and it's a free app. And basically what it is an online platform for all the global musicians and artists all over the world to actually stream on this one platform. So we get to meet different artists from all over the world on this streaming platform. Basically it's live streaming. Now I joined as an artist, and how this happened was I posted a video. If you guys didn't watch my earlier video, I'll just give you a brief rundown what happened. I posted a video singing some Christmas songs back in December last year, and I got a message from a talent scout from Sessions named Ross, and he left me a message on my YouTube as well as my Instagram. He DM'd my Instagram and he also emailed me to let me know that there is this platform that is also co-owned by the owner of Pandora Jewelry, and I think his name is Tim. So anyway, Ross said he's a talent scout and he invited me for an audition, and so I was really ecstatic about it, and I kind of checked it out and found that they seemed to be pretty legit, and I thought that since I didn't have to pay any money or give any personal details, I thought I'd give it a try. So I went for the audition, and basically it's a Google Meet audition with the curator of Sessions, and it's only like 10 minutes and just one song. Basically they just want to see how's your live streaming as well as artistry and stuff like that, and basically I was in. So starting to stream on a regular basis, I realized that I have the worst internet connection in the world. So I was having troubles because you need to download this software called OBS, which is Open Broadcasting Software, and you have to have this software if you want to stream live on Sessions. There's no other software you can use except OBS, and I was having so much problems with OBS, and in a way still am, and it can actually get connected and disconnected in like 10 times in a span of 2 minutes, which is ridiculous because that means I can practically not be online or live streaming, and I tend to lose a lot of my viewers and supporters at the same time because they get disconnected from me. So let's just put it aside. I'm sharing my personal experience and my journey with Sessions Live. So I went through like the first week trying to stream, and of course I had all these OBS connecting, disconnecting thing, and I went into my kitchen, to my living, to my dining, to the gym downstairs, literally any and everywhere that I could find to get myself better connected. And I have suffered a lot of heat because it's like different places have a lot of heat, and maybe some noise because you can't guarantee that the place that a spot that you can find can be 100% sound, silent or soundproof or whatever. But anyway, all right, it goes to show that I've told you before that I do like my YouTube is like 24 hours a day and everything else, and I'm really into just working as hard as I can. So I'm quite hardworking, like I'm just literally going everywhere to try and achieve what I want to achieve. So that aside, so I met some people on my live stream. While I was live streaming, I encountered the first problem was I had a fan noise, and I couldn't get rid of the fan noise. So when I had a fan noise, I was strangely able to be connected to my live stream a lot longer than now that I have solved the fan noise. The OBS just disconnects like nobody's business, maybe every 10 seconds. So how did I conquer this fan noise issue? So the first thing you need to do is that you gotta go to your OBS, gotta go to your settings, and you need to go and install. Actually no, you don't have to even go to settings. You can go to the box below, and there is a plus there. So basically where your audio input capture and stuff will be there, you put the plus, and then you add noise suppression and you add noise gate. So noise suppression, you will bring it all the way to the left to try. There is a bar and then there's a little thingy, and you bring it all the way to the left is to try and cut out as much noise around you as possible. And the noise gate is where you have 2 bars, and basically it's kind of like if a sound is above a certain decibel, then you will Alright, slight interruptions. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So, noise gate, you have two bars, and basically there is a... So the theory is that if something is above a certain decibel, then it will not be heard, and another one is if it's below, it will not be heard. So basically, you need to adjust these two bars, you know, like until you get the... They call it the sweet spot that you can cut off everything. Now, I tried all the sweet spots, whatever spot. None of the spots were that sweet. It was still sour. But anyway, all I can say is that some strange miracle happened, and eventually, after restarting my computer and OBS like about 6 times, finally that fan noise was gone. Now, the other issue is that trying to get my voice to be a bit louder, and my microphone is supposed to be a not too bad microphone, mind you. It's a condenser mic, thronmax M20 streaming kit. So suddenly the music was too soft, and then my voice was too soft, and someone actually sent me a recording, and I totally understand what they were saying. I was happy about the fan noise though, that we got rid of, because with the fan noise, it seems like you get a lot more negative comments and stuff, because people are trying to tell you that, if they are kind enough to tell you that there is this fan noise, and that's really annoying, because that fan noise thing was really loud. Someone sent me a recording of that too. Thank you to all the kind friends of mine that actually took the trouble to send me recordings so that I can improve and learn. And I'm a tech idiot, so for me to be able to improve and learn and figure this out is a big challenge for me, but I am so appreciative of everyone's support. I just want to say that before I continue explaining the rest of the stuff to you guys. So anyway, after kind of sorting that out, seems like I can be heard, my music's kind of alright. Now I can actually interact with my audience. Yay! So exciting. Anyway, so the next thing is what happens when you just, you know, live streaming on sessions. So first of all, I noticed that when you want to do you want to schedule your sessions. Okay, want to schedule your sessions on sessions. Anyway, it goes by hourly. They don't have half hourly slots. Basically, it goes by the every hour, like 11 a.m., 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m., all the way to, like, you know, you could literally, it's 24 hours, but it just goes by, yeah, there's no like 12:30, 1:30, no. Okay, that's the first thing. It might make a difference depending on you like, you know, what kind of time you actually like. But anyway, the other thing that I learned is that after streaming a bit, and I received some love, and love is actually the currency of sessions. Yeah, it converts into cash. You can convert it into cash. So if you convert your love into cash, it takes about 2 or 3 weeks, then it's cash, and then it gets you get it sent to your PayPal account, and that takes about 8-10 weeks before you get it into your PayPal account. But you need 20 USD 20 USD worth of hearts or love, okay, they call it love, before you can actually cash out from your sessions account. All right, I have more than 20 USD, but I'm not cashing out yet, because I mean, it'd be 0 and I have to grow it to 20 USD again, and I'm just like, it's okay, I'm just like checking it out. The other thing you also get is that if you stream your first live show 72 hours after they sent you the email after your audition to get your artist panel, which is for you to log in to do, it has your stream key and everything inside, you get 25 USD as well. Every week they send you a love ledger, meaning that all the love that you receive from various people will actually be reflected, like how many love you have and things like that. So sessions actually goes like by week. So what your performance is also judged per week. So everything is weekly. Whatever you do is for 1 week. It's literally 7 days. So it's like, I realized you have to like stream almost every day in order for you to be mediocre or successful. Because if you're gonna like stream and you feel like it and stuff, you would not progress in sessions itself. And I am someone who is curious, and also I like to work hard. So I have a tendency to wanna strive to achieve this. So sessions has levels, okay? As an artist, there's 20 levels as far as I know. And last week I was they sent me an email, and they said I was level 4 artist, and that meant that if I did 2 premium shows, and premium shows have to be 60 minutes per show, okay, just 2, in that entire 7 days. If I do 2 shows, they will give me per show 121 love per show. So I get a premium bonus. If I do 2 shows, means that I will get 242 love extra or free or reward, however you want to see it. So I was like, I want that 242 love. That bonus meant everything to me. I know it converts to nothing much, but it meant everything to me because it's like I wanted to achieve this. So I was like a crazy woman that was going to every spot I could in my condo building to find an internet connection that could get me connected for 60 minutes straight, and if possible 120 minutes. And I was like singing 4 hours, like 2 hours in the afternoon, 3 hours in the afternoon, and then 2-3 hours at night. I was going crazy, and everyone's like, over this 242, you know, love. And I'm like, I got to get this. I cannot believe that everybody else gets it like the moment they know that they are this level, they can get it, and I cannot, just because I cannot seem to stream 60 minutes straight. And I was crazy. I was doing it every single day, right until, so Sessions new week starts on a Sunday, so I did it right until Saturday. And some miracle happened that Saturday I had 3.5 hours of continuous connection. So at 3.5 hours I got disconnected, but that's okay. I had my show bonuses, plus I made some friends, and because of a stable internet connection, people can log on and actually enjoy a show and stuff like that, so you have more interaction with people. So it's very awesome. Saturday was a miracle. Anyway, I decided to take the Sunday off after that, and here I am. This is a Monday. I have started my new week with Sessions. So I'm excited to let you guys know that now I received an email saying that I'm a level 5 artist. Now, from what I know, level 4 and level 5, so this is a progression, but in terms of the show bonuses, right, for level 4 and level 5, it's the same. 2 shows and you get the 242 love. So 121 per show. 60-minute show. So I'm kind of excited because if I have reached level 5, this just means that I am getting closer to level 6. So there's 20 levels, right? And the more levels that you achieve means the more show bonuses you're going to get. And on top of that, when people give it to you, give love to you and stuff like that. So basically, you just want to collect as much love as possible because this is the way that you're going to be making money. And guys, it's not only because I love to sing and that I used to sing, but more than 10 years ago, like performing. It was really a long time ago, and I cannot believe that I've been given this opportunity once again in my life to actually sing. And this time round, whatever I earn is 100% mine, and I am like I'm like my own person, because I was not when I was singing in more than 10 years ago. So I'm pretty excited, and I really want to work hard to try and get as much love as possible, because this is how I make money, guys. I make money from being online. My YouTube channel, my channel memberships, my sessions, whatever stuff I do. I also make soap and things like that. So basically, I'm an online person, even though I am not tech savvy. Haha, what, I am an online person. So this is how I make money. So if you guys want to support me, you can always check out the link in my description box. So what you do is you download Sessions Live app in either your Play Store or your Apple Store, register with your email address, and then you click on my link, my artist link. Now don't scroll to look for me. You only can find me when you're scrolling, like you get these little circles or pictures, right, of artists. Those are the people who are live at that moment. You will not find me there if I'm not live. So you have to click on that link that I have in my description box that puts Lulu Bubbles at the end of it. Yeah, that is my artist link. So after you've downloaded the app, you register with your email, then you click on the artist link. After you click on the artist link, you will see there is like a picture, looks like a coffee cup or something. It's like a black and white. Yeah, I mean, that is like, you know, you're checking out like the profile part. there are 3 dots at the bottom right side. You have to click on that, follow me, and after you follow me, you can join my crew. It's that little purple button that puts join the crew. Now, why do you have to join the crew? Because if you support me, and I hope you do, joining the crew means that you are a fan of mine. Don't worry, you can support other people by giving them love, but you are my fan, so you can be in my crew and support and grow my crew. Yeah, and basically, you as a fan can help me by collecting stars when you're staring at the screen and watching me perform live streaming. Because all the stars and everything that a fan does for the artist as well contributes to our success. So how we go up in our ranking also depends on our fans. So I hope you guys will choose to support me, and if you support me, you still can give other people love and stars. So yeah, but please join my crew. Please join my crew. And please, come and watch me. If you like, you can give me some love. If not, you can watch me for free. So yeah, you can check out my schedule, because when you go onto my artist link, you should be able to check out my schedule. It will be stated there. I don't put out a schedule like for weeks in advance. I usually go like 1-2 days at a time, that kind of thing. Yeah. Now that it seems a bit more stable, I'm not sure, but I hope it will be stable, my OBS, because after today I only got disconnected once out of two and a half hours. Yeah, and it got disconnected after an hour, so I thought that it's not too bad. I'm actually even on Ethernet right now. That's how crazy, because live streaming is like another level up from videos. Like videos, you need good internet connection. When it comes to live streaming, you need Ethernet or something. Like, it's another level up. And like I said, I've had the crappiest internet connection almost my entire life. Don't ask me, I don't know why. Anyway, this time I'm on Ethernet, guys, so that is the best I think I can possibly do. So I really hope that you guys will support me in any way, and I hope that this video helped aspiring artists. Guys, if you are not asked to audition and you want to be a sessions artist, please, when you apply, put my email down as a referral. Okay, help me out, guys, because I get a referral free. Just that is if you audition and you get through, then I will get a referral fee. And I think that after that, you should go and refer somebody else and then get the referral free as well. And I hope that this video helped anyone who wants to be a sessions artist, or who just started out with sessions, or is wondering what's going on with sessions, and who can relate to all my crazy internet issues and stuff. And yeah, that's about it, guys. That's all I wanted to share with you today. So I'm a level 5 sessions artist at this point of time, and I'm gonna work hard and see if I can get to level 6. So I will let you guys know the following week. Alright, thanks for watching my video. I hope it helped, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you guys pop by sessions to check me out. So either I see you guys here on YouTube or on sessions. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, comment and share. Until my next video, bye!